Wish, really? There's no way stabilizes at $15. Like, people just don't have the patience to make it look like a slow sort of squeeze, because Wish's option doesn't expire in the middle of the month. Therefore, all of these pump and dump scheme doesn't really work on those stocks. There's no way, dude. There's no way it stabilizes at 15. 15 is key gamma strike, and there's no way, dude. They're probably gonna drop to like $12 or $11 by like Friday or something like that shit.
Hey, what is up, dudes and dudettes? This is Due Diligence here. Things we are having a sort of just a holding day in terms of AMC and MMAT. I recorded that last video. Is it this way or that way? I don't even know. I put it somewhere, or it could be just like the entire screen. Who knows, right? Or I'm probably just gonna roll it as intro. So I recorded it a couple of days ago when it's like around 15, right? It's around $15, and I checked their option. I checked their option chain, and I saw that a bunch of the call options are residing around the $15 strike line, but the option expiration date is nowhere to be met, right? So if the option expiration date has nowhere to be met, you still have like a week or so, and the stock price is already jacked up to $15. If you cannot stabilize this at 15, there's no choice, or there's no chance of a gamma squeeze. And for those of you who are in this pump and dump scheme called Wish, you're looking for a gamma squeeze, because a long-term short squeeze actually does not really exist, because if you look at the build up of the short volume over time, even though the short volume averaged down like for the past few days, the reasoning is this, okay? Usually because around June, especially at the end of June, a lot of people just take out their position out. Why? Because this is where your semi-annual return reports are done. So they want to preserve their profit, and because the half year expiration for a lot of options are already done, so, and also the projection for the next quarter is not really looking so well by around like the 25th or so. Therefore, usually they sort of take a little break on the 30th and maybe buy in around like next week or so, that kind of thing. However, if we just want to look at the technical analysis on Wish, and I drew a support line a couple of days ago, I sort of did this as a passion project because I predicted that it's probably not going to stabilize at 15, and it didn't. And I drew 2 support line, and I said that I didn't ended up posting that video because when I made it, I sort of also made another MMT video, and I made another MMT video, and I just forgot about this one, so I didn't do any editing. And now this is just basically a re-recording, sort of a rephrasing of what I said a couple of days ago. What I said is basically it's gonna wriggle in between the orange and the pink line. The average the orange line is a breakout. If you break out the 1344 line, you have a upside up to $15. And if you stabilize this at 15 until the next option expiration day, you will see a gamma squeeze. It's highly likely. Let's just put it as a 30% chance. Otherwise, you will probably wiggle around the pink line, and when it touches the pink line, which is the $11.43 line, which it touches today, it's probably going to rebound a little bit. And because of Memorial Day weekend, not really Memorial, sorry, because of the July 4th weekend, we won't trade on Monday. On Tuesday, you probably at the today's market, and you probably see an influx of some volume, and you will see an influx of some volume coming in on Tuesday. But I highly doubt it's gonna reach $13 on Tuesday. But you can be hopeful, and you can buy back the dip at 11.43 as you wish. But again, we're not financial advisors. We do not give financial advices. Everything we say on this channel is for shits and giggles and for entertainment purposes only. And if you're looking at maximum downside in the short term, the maximum downside is around what was this? Around like 10.52. And for those of you who are gamblers, I know a lot of you have gambling addictions just like I do. Probably, by the dip a little, it's not really like a dip anymore, because when it drops lower than 10.84, you're essentially in trouble. But anyways, if you want to play the 50-50 gamble, get some at 10.60. Some people will get some at 10.64 and, wait for like $1 and just do a pump and down action. But hey, guys, due to liquidity problems, I'm not going to go in and gamble a little bit. So this is it for this video. It's very quick, very short, very to the point. And for those of you who love those kind of video, keep watching it. And leave a comment down below your questions, what you like about this format, what you wish to see in the future, join the Discord channel, and of course, smash a like button so that we can beat the YouTube algorithm. And another thing is sub, and share my videos with your friends and family. Put it on Twitter or whatever, so more and more people will enjoy this premium content. All right, see you guys on the upside.